Greetings, knowledge seekers. So in this box, this rectangular box in here is a full-size USA-made premium guitar. So why is it not so long? Well, it's actually fully assembled. We don't have to put it together. It's inside this box. It's from Ciari Guitars from Nashville, Tennessee. So every year when I go to the NAMM show and I work for Pioneer DJ at the booth, during some of my lunch breaks, I would go visit the Ciari guitar booth. The thing that intrigued me to their product is that it actually solves an issue that I have when I'm traveling to do my gigs. When I'm going to events and nightclubs outside of my own city and state, it's really challenging to bring my guitar. Even when I use my flight case, my SKB case that protects my Les Paul, it's super difficult to carry it around in the airport just because it's big, bulky, and heavy. But this guitar, it actually solves all that. And inside this is called the Ascender Standard. It's the second version of their Ascender series. So how did they fit a fully assembled guitar in this little box? Let's open it up to find out. So just to be clear, for this unboxing video, I will not be doing any audio demos because I want to get used to the guitar before I show you guys what it sounds like. Its portability is what I really want to show first. So we got that paper out and we got some bubble wrap here. All right, so we have this bag. So it comes in this bag right here. Yeah, there's a full guitar inside this, the single strap bag. It's a little case. And we're going to open this. And right there, look at that. It's a full guitar with a collapsible neck that bends backwards. So after a couple years of visiting their booth every year, I finally decided after this recent NAMM that I wanted to finally pick one up. And just for full disclosure, I definitely paid my own money for this guitar, but I also signed up for their Ambassador Program, which I'll leave you a link down below, but I'll tell you more about it at the end of this video. So this right here is their Ascender Standard. It's actually the second version of their Ascender series. The original Ascender was priced over $3,000, but this new model is priced at $1,799. Now I have a personal rule. I don't like to really own guitars that are over $2,000 because then I end up babying them instead of playing them. While this isn't exactly at your budget price, what it does for you in terms of portability, it's like no other portable guitar. And when I was speaking to Jonathan, the owner of Ciari, I told him I only like owning white guitars. That way you can't keep track of how many guitars I own. They're all the same color. So if you can see, this is actually like a nice white matte finish all around. It's not sticky like gloss. And like we saw, what makes it special is the mechanism to actually collapse the neck. So you just pull on this, bring it back down, and then the neck slowly collapses and folds back, and you can put it back inside the case. Now to open it back up, you just bring the neck back up, then pull on that release, and then you just push to tighten it, and now it's a full playable guitar that you can take anywhere with you, including on an airplane, a lot easier than portable guitars that are made with smaller bodies. So just to get the specs out of the way, it's a 24 3/4 inch scale length. Nut is 1.7 inches. It's a mahogany neck with an ebony fretboard. It has locking tuners on the headstock, and the body is basswood with a nano satin finish. Both pickups are Seymour Duncan 59s, both humbuckers, 3-way toggle switch, down for bridge pickup, up for neck pickup, volume and tone over here. One of the things I really like about this guitar is how similar it is in design to my EVH Wolfgang. The fact that it's a 2 humbucker, 2 control with a pickup selector right here, which I will turn upside down. And if you really look, if you didn't even know, you would not know that you can travel with this guitar just looking at it for the first time. It looks like a full guitar because it is a full guitar. Oftentimes when you think of travel guitars, you're thinking about compromise. This isn't a compromise. This has an additional feature where the neck folds inwards. So you can take this, put it in the bag, put it in your luggage, or put it inside a backpack, which I'll show you in a little bit. But the ability to take a full electric guitar and basically toss it inside your luggage is now possible with the Ciari. So let's put this inside again. Release. Okay. So remember how I said you can actually put this in a backpack? Well, if you use my link to purchase yours, this Ciari Guitars backpack, where you can put this bag inside of, will be included for free with your purchase by using my link. It's a $150 value and it matches perfectly with this bag, and it's yours by purchasing it through my link. So let's see how this fits. And this backpack with the Ciari guitar inside it can work as your carry-on when you're on a plane. So you can take this with you. And it's only a 7.2 pound guitar inside there, plus the bag. I've carried my DJ backpack with more stuff than this. So, all right, so let's pull some of these stickers on the plastic cover out, just so we can see the overall finish, because this is an unboxing video. So we see this as it's being removed from the box. So we have a lot of these manufacturing types of protections that are still on it. So yeah, these guitars are made in Nashville, and I've spoken to the owner, Jonathan. I really love this idea because this is gonna change the way I travel. I don't have to decide not to bring my guitar or struggle through the airport with an SKB case. I can put this in my luggage. I can finally do my whole guitar and DJ gear routine to any gig from now on. Oh, and we got this one last spot with the plastic. So let's put on a guitar strap on this and connect it up. And like I said earlier, I'm not gonna do a full audio demo until I bond with the guitar. I generally need some bonding time with the guitar because I'm not that good of a player where I can just pick up any guitar and start playing along the way I do with DJ gear. I need time to get used to how it sounds and how it feels. So I will be doing a full review and some demos with this. All right. So first impression with the guitar, feels like a full guitar, does not feel like a travel guitar. Even weighs like a full electric guitar, like I said, 7.2 pounds, but it's not as heavy as my Les Paul, which is pretty hard on my back. Now the scale length is 24 3/4. It might feel like a small guitar in some of these areas because the headstock is a little smaller. It has 22 medium jumbo frets, and the stock strings are D'Addario's 10-46. So let's tune this up. Okay, so the neck radius up at the top is a little flatter than I'm used to, but I really like how they set this up. It's a comfortable string height to the neck, and there's no buzzing that I hear acoustically. Let's just try some chords. So yeah, this is super comfortable. It's well balanced. It stays in its general area. It doesn't want to make me want to fall this way or this way. It just stays straight, which makes this guitar super comfortable. Like I said, it's a full-size premium guitar that just happens to be portable. Oh, and by the way, really cool thing here on the neck plate, which I'll show on the camera right here. It has the serial number and the Ciari Guitar logo on the neck plate back here. So if you're like me, looking for a zero compromise solution for being able to travel with your guitar, check out the Ciari Ascender Standard. Use my link below and you'll get the backpack, which is a $150 value for free with your purchase. All right, if you want to be the first to catch my full demo and review of the Ciari Ascender Standard, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that little bell notification, and also smash that like button. Really appreciate you for hanging out today, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, the force is with you always.